Good afternoon, folks, on this Friday, December 21st, just before the weekend. We are looking at mild and dry conditions before Christmas. Christmas Eve and Christmas Day looks to be dry and cold, and as we get into next week, it looks to remain cold and dry. Really no big weather for much of the week except for on Sunday, where we have a small little storm that will bring us some rain and wind, and also some very mild temperatures as well. Current conditions right now in St. John's, -1. We have a dew point -4, humidity at 80%. Those northwest winds much lighter than what they have been over the past 24 hours, where we had wind gusts upwards of 100 kilometers per hour. Winds now northwest 38 kilometers per hour, wind chill of -7 degrees. As we take a look now at the current temperatures across the Avalon metro area, right around the 0 and 1 degree mark, right along the coast. Mount Pearl looking at temperatures of 0 to -1, -1 in Paradise. Closer to the airport looking at temperatures of 0 degrees. So really anywhere between -1 and +1. We have a couple areas that are already receiving temperatures of 2 degrees. So we're slowly warming up as we get through these afternoon temperatures today. We'll only get up to about 2 or 3 degrees, which is actually pretty nice for this time of year. Looking at radar now, that little blip there by Bay Roberts, that is just radar echo. That is nothing falling to the ground. And really, we're looking at clear skies over the island right now. But if I zoom out, we can see there's much rain, and even that little dark thing there, that's some snow falling right now in New Brunswick. All this will change to rain for the Maritimes. And this is that system that's going to arrive here for tomorrow night into Sunday. So today is dry, lots of sunshine today. Dry tomorrow, but we'll see a lot more clouds. And then as we get into Saturday night, tomorrow night, into Sunday, we'll see that rainfall beginning. And the rain will be heavy at times throughout on Sunday and Sunday night, and then clearing before we get into Christmas Eve. Here's a Futurecast now. We'll time out that Futurecast. Here's how it looks. We are dry as high pressure is in control. Through today and tonight, we'll see clear skies mostly for tonight and cooler temperatures around -5, -6. Then as we get into the overnight hours, we'll see that high pressure slowly gain strong over the island. That's going to keep us dry still. As you can see there, wintry mix, snow and freezing rain and ice patch for Labrador and Quebec, and then rain for much of Quebec and Nova Scotia, PEI, New Brunswick. A little bit of rain begins on the very west coast of Newfoundland, mixed with possibly some freezing rain as well towards Port Basque. And as we get towards the early morning hours of tomorrow, we'll see that rain beginning to push from west to east, freezing rain over central parts of Newfoundland. And really, they get into the rain tomorrow, but that rain holds off here on the Avalon until we get into tomorrow night, when that system is over Labrador, and we'll see some showers beginning overnight Saturday into Sunday, with some periods of heavy rain as well. Behind that system is some colder air with some snow beginning over Nova Scotia for early on Sunday, and that will continue to arrive in our area on Sunday night and into Christmas Eve, where we'll see some cooler temperatures, but I don't think we're going to see any snow. Alright, let's take a look now at the European model for the thickness level, because we are going to see those warm temperatures as we get through the next 24 to 48 hours. Notice how here today we are in the green, the yellows to the south. When you get into the yellow, that's tropical air mass, and then of course you get into this, we're in the polar air mass. We're going to be neutral. We're going to see cool temperatures, but not relatively cold. And as we see here, as we get into Saturday, we see much warmer temperatures as that big warm tropical air mass continues to push north, and that will continue into Sunday afternoon, and then by Sunday evening into Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Notice how a big pool of cold air comes swooping down from northern Canada, and this will continue into Boxing Day and into late next week. And then as we get into late next weekend, so not this Sunday, but the next Sunday after, the day before Christmas, the day before New Year Day, before the beginning of 2019, is when we'll see another warm-up begin, before another big blast of cold air comes in, just in time for the beginning of 2019. Alright, let's take a look at the forecast now, the hourly forecast. Here's how it looks. 6 a.m. we saw those partly clear skies and -3. 9 a.m. mostly sunny skies and -1. And for the rest of the afternoon, look at temperatures of 1 and 2 degrees under mostly sunny skies, and by this evening, partly clear skies and -1. Day plan looks like this. We're looking at plenty of sunshine, 1 degrees, and by 8 o'clock tonight, mostly clear skies and -3. Lots of sunshine today and seasonal temperatures of 2 degrees. Very little chance of precipitation, those northwest winds 30 kilometers per hour. For the temperature trend, as you can see here, we are only going to warm up to around 2 degrees by 2 and 3 o'clock this afternoon, and then quickly fall down to -2 by supper hour. Tonight, partly clear and cold, -7. Very little chance of precipitation. The winds will be light. That is going to help create those much cooler temperatures, along with the mostly clear skies as well. Temperatures should easily fall back to around -6 and -8 tonight. Turning cloudy tomorrow and milder. Temperatures tomorrow will be much milder, +4. Very little chance of precipitation, 20%. Winds do increase though, from the southeast, 40 kilometers per hour. And as we get into the weekend, we're looking cool today, 2 degrees. Cloudy skies tomorrow and 4. And as we get into Sunday, we are looking at rain and a balmy temperature of 9 degrees. Here's the weather threat for your Sunday. Very low threat for any snow and sleet. We do have a medium threat for wind, and medium to high threat for rain, and do plan on some very slick roads as well. Looking at the Christmas Eve forecast now. Partly clear skies by 6 a.m. and -3. For Christmas Eve afternoon at noon, look at pretty sunny skies, -1. And by supper time, Christmas Eve, just before the kids head to bed, before Santa Claus come, looking at temperatures of -4. Actual highs of -1 under partly sunny skies. Temperature tracker looks like this. The average is 1 degree. We're going to be above average through Sunday, with temperatures climbing to near 10. And then by Monday and Tuesday, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, we are looking at temperatures right around that freezing mark. So just slightly below average. And the next 7 days look like this. Monday, Christmas Eve, -1 under sun and clouds. Mostly cloudy on Tuesday for Christmas Day and 0. And then Boxing Day, Wednesday, and into Thursday, we are looking at sun and clouds. The Arctic air mass does continue, with temperatures on Wednesday and Thursday are right around the -3 to -5 range. Morning temperatures right around the -7 to -10. That is your CHMR weather. I am CHMR Chief Meteorologist James Fault. Have a great afternoon and Merry Christmas.